Rust has great speed. Milker Carlson is a forward. Schultz with a shot. They score! On the rebound, it's Bryan Rust again.
I mentioned the aggressiveness of the defense. There's Bryan going in on the pinch that forces Carlson to come back. A support play by Justin Schultz, jumping up and adding to the odd man rush. Rust starts the play with the pass, goes hard to the net, and another bit of a bad break off the glove of Vlasic right to the stick of Rust.
Well, one thing we have seen from Pittsburgh all through the playoffs, their weak side defense jumped in the rush.
There's a race for the puck, and Crosby will get to it first ahead of Braun, who fell down. Sheary in front, shoots, he scores!
Again, it starts in the defensive zone, a bit of a broken play. Braun once again got caught flat-footed, heads up play by Crosby, cross-seam pass, and looking for Jones. Glenn, as a goaltender, you got your own player and another body in front. He doesn't even see this shot.
No, and you think about the Vlasic play on the goal. Preceding this one, blocks it, doesn't get all of it, and there, he just blocks the goalie. You know Hornquist is going to go there.